Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to set up your PC or laptop password. Are you so first time in this video? Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I go to my Windows 10 setting option. Are you going to your settings option? Click this account option and sign in option. Click this password option. Change your password. I type my current password. You type your current password right now. 13355777901 AZ. Next, I type my new password. You type your new password. I confirm type my new password. I type my hints and press the next option and click the finish and successfully set up my new password. Are you trying easy way set up your any Windows password or any Windows laptop password? Please try in this process. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.